Hi everyone, I am Siddharth. Today we will learn how to make a beautiful thumbnail for our YouTube video. Before opening Microsoft Office Word, collect all the elements such as photos and logos into a folder. I have collected all the elements in a folder. After collecting all the elements, open Microsoft Office Word and create a new blank document. Then go to the Layout tab and change orientation into landscape. Go to the Size menu, then More Paper Sizes, change width to 16 inches and height 9 inches. Go to the Margin tab and change all the values to 0 and press OK, then ignore. Adjust the view size to see the document properly. Go to Page Color and choose Fill Effects and choose a gradient preset of your choice and press OK. Now go to the page border and choose Page Border Style as your choice. Click on Insert tab, then Shapes and choose Diamond Shape under Basic Shapes. Draw the diamond shape and adjust its size. Now press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate the shape. Drag the duplicate shape to the left and align with the first shape. Fill the shapes with the color of your choice from the Fill Shapes menu under the Format tab. Now go to the Insert tab and insert a word art. Drag the text box onto the diamond shape and edit the text to create a thumbnail. Change the text color, size, font and add a text border of your choice. Drag the text box to the appropriate place. Now select the text box and press Ctrl+D twice to make two duplicates of the texts. Drag one text box to the right and edit the text to width and place it in the middle of the two diamond shapes. Now drag the other text box to the right and change the text to Microsoft Office Word. Place the text box by dragging it at the center of the shape. Now you can change the font color etc. as your choice. Now it is the time to insert pictures to our project. Go to the Insert tab, then click on the picture to select the picture and insert it. Click on the picture, go to Warp Text under Format tab and choose Through. Now resize the picture by dragging from corners and place it at the appropriate place. Apply an effect from Available Effects under Picture Tools, Format tab. Now insert all the pictures in the same way. Now it's time to save the image. Give a name and save the document as a PDF. Now we have to convert the document to PNG format. For this we will use Adobe's Online Converter tool. Link to the website given in description. Go to this website and select the PDF file we just created and choose File Type as PNG in the Convert to drop-down menu. Now click on Convert button. Log into the website using any ID of your choice. I am logging in with my Facebook ID. Now download the file. It will be downloaded as a zip file. Unzip the file. Our beautiful thumbnail is ready.